Hey, welcome guys. I've got something really cool today in today's video. I've got an Edgee in the mail. You say, what's an Edgee? Well, a few months ago, I don't know, at the end of November, I think it was, of last year, on Joe Telling's stream, the 3D printing nerd, I won this really cool gizmo that he showed off and had a link to. And it took a while to get from me. There was a problem in shipping from the company, getting it to the right person, but I finally got it. And I'd like to show you what it's all about today. So let's unbox it and I'll test it out and see what you think. And if you're interested, I'll have a link below in the description where you can go and buy one at. But I've got two boxes here. These are all wrapped up really nice. And I took them out of their packing. And let's just want to see what we got here today. I have not previously unboxed this, so hopefully everything's fine with it. Back here's the base for it with an infrared camera. It's got a red lens on the front. It's got some weight to it. And it appears at the bottom is set up where it rotates. It's got little rubber feet on it. And here's a mount for it, for your camera. Look at the paperwork and see how that all goes together. It appears to slide in there. And we've got a power cord, charging cord to plug it into USB. And that's all in that little box. And another box here is going to be a ring light. And the ring light also plugs into USB. It's got a little switch on it so you can check the different power modes, turn it on and off. I currently have one here that I'm not using. My son bought me a while back. When I do my hangouts, the last couple of hangouts, I've been using a ring light instead of my overhead light. I got a much larger light there. So, and I don't see any paperwork, but I guess it's self-explanatory. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay. So we'll slide this bracket into the light. Let me loosen that up a little bit. And tighten that up, and you can position your cell phone however you want to film you. If you use a cell phone, or I guess you could mount a webcam in here, anything you want. Just adapt it to the mount or use a different mount. And I got that upside down. Yeah, just angle it however you want. This will slip into the base. You just tighten up the nut. So far, so good. Cord's not too long, so I'll put an extension on it. Yep, definitely have to put an extension on it. Well, let's see, I have one here on my desk. I have a long one. Plug this in. Check the different intensities here of the light. That's got different light modes. Hey, must have came with paperwork, but I'm not seeing it here. I'll look around, but I don't remember already opening this and looking at it. A USB here in the bottom to control the base. And I don't see any kind of adapter to tie these two together. Okay, you can't have the bottom cord plugged in because then if it rotated, it would tangle up the cord, so that's not going to work. See if there's a power switch on it. Oh, it does have a mount in the bottom, so you could have it mounted onto a stand and sit there and swivel and polish. That's pretty cool. Then, of course, you can angle the ball joint, whatever angle you want it at. It's got to be charged up, which it's not charged. There's a little button right here on the front. Let's see here. You back up a little bit and see how that looks. And it's following me. If I ran out of the frame, it moved too fast. Let's see as I go back and forth. It's tracking me. If I go too fast, let me see if it can find me. No, can't run. Yeah, it's working real good. So I'm walking around talking about my models, or I'm presenting something or working on different printers. Oh, it lost track. It didn't see me. Here it is. Yeah, it's working good as long as I don't walk real fast. So if I move around slow, it can track me. If I sit here and I talk about different things on my shelf, and then I turn around the other way and I walk back over this way, as long as I'm not moving real fast, it should keep following me fine. Yeah, I'll have to experiment with it. And then, of course, I can always have it sitting back further and then zoom in a little bit. That would work good, too. Well, it might. I don't know what its range is, so that may not work good. But it seems to see me at this distance. I'm probably 5 feet away from it right now. Not sure what its range is. Yeah, I'm about 6 feet now. It's seeing me fine. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, here's your website right here. Let's see, click home, start that over again. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Nice little base. You have the fan on it there and a camera following around. She's talking. Put your DLSR on it, cell phone. I think it sells for $39.99. It's discounted, and the ring light is $10.99. Yeah, it's awesome that I want it. If not, this would be well worth buying to try out. It looks pretty cool. We'll definitely use it in some of my live streams or some of my videos, see how it works out. See what we got here for support. Contact information. I do not see any setup information, so other than self-explanatory, it should have came with a booklet. I have to look around and see if I can find it, but I don't think I have it. Yeah, and there she doesn't have the base plugged in, so it's charged up. Yeah, I don't see any paperwork anywhere. I've looked around quite often when I get things in the mail. There we go. I will take them in the living room when I'm watching TV, and I'll just go through the paperwork, put on my glasses, and look them over. But I don't see the paperwork anywhere, so I guess they forgot to send it. I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, it's easy enough to figure out. Like I say, it plugs in a USB for charging light or giving light power, not charging it, giving it power. And for charging the base, just plug it in. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, it has a little bit of weight to it. And the ring light works good. It's got a lot of different modes. It says here on the box that the mounting is a 1/4-inch screw mount holes. And it has a hot shoe slot. I guess that'd be the slot that you put this bracket in here. It's like a slot, the same with the base. But it's pretty cool from Edgee. Thank you very much, Joel, 3D Printing Nerd, and Edgee. I really appreciate it. This is cool. And it will get some use in my videos as I go. So, anyway, thanks. Please like, subscribe, share the video, and happy printing, everybody.